children, this is Miss Carolyn and
Miss Kim.
We are going to record the videos together. Alright, so shall we start?
Yes.
This is your English lesson for today.
Is Monday, 10th
February 2020. And tomorrow will be
Tuesday, 11th February 2020. Yesterday was
Sunday, 9th February 2020.
We hope you're practicing the dates at home. Remember the days of the week and the months of the year. They're very important to know.
Yes, they are. Moving on. Today, we are going to use familiar words. What is a familiar word?
Familiar words are words that you should already know.
Okay, since you already know the words, we won't have any problems, right?
Yep.
Okay, this week, we are going to learn about different insects. Ooh, fun. Now, your key vocabulary words. Insect,
Bird,
body,
wings,
antennae,
eyes,
eggs,
spider,
butterfly,
ant,
bee,
ladybird.
legs. Now, should we look at them one by one?
Okay.
Insects. What makes an insect, Miss Kim?
Well, an insect has 3 body parts. They have a head, abdomen, and thorax.
Ooh, and they also have 6 legs. And they have antenna.
And some of them have wings.
All right, and insects are also called a
Mini beast.
mini bees. You remember mini bees?
Yes.
All the tiny little bugs are called mini bees. Next one, let's look at it one by one. Spider.
Ah!
Everyone should know what spider is.
Mm-hmm.
And butterfly.
Oh.
Butterflies are pretty. Butterfly. Do you like spider or do you like butterfly?
Butterflies.
Yeah, I would say butterfly too. Next, ant. Ant. Real ant. Cute ant.
Bee. Here's 2 pictures of honeybees.
Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Sometimes people call it a ladybird. You can say ladybug or ladybird.
There are many different kinds of ladybirds.
There are many different kinds of ladybugs. See, sounds the same. Body. We are going to talk about the insect's body. Insects have 3 body parts. And they are
Head, thorax, abdomen.
now, but spiders have 2 body parts. And they're called
Abdomen and cephalothorax.
because the spiders have 2 body parts, they are called
Arachnids.
arachnids, not an insect. They are different from insects. But any kind of bugs are called a mini beast. Antenna. Now, can you find an antenna on this picture?
This one?
No, those are eyes.
Here.
That's the mouth.
These little horns.
Yes,
Ooh.
those are called antennae. When there's 2, you say antennae. When there's 1, you say antenna. Okay?
What do they do?
It helps to feel and smell. So the insects, they don't have nose. they use this antennae to smell and feel things.
Wow.
Isn't that interesting?
Mm-hmm.
That looks like a nose to me, but they don't have nose.
Nope.
So
No noses.
they smell through this
Antenna.
antennae. Eyes. Insects have eyes that helps them see.
Wow.
But I think they see things very differently from us. Eyes. And, spiders have 8 eyes.
Wow.
Did you know that?
No. I thought they had 2 eyes.
No, they have 8 eyes.
Wow.
Spiders have 8 eyes. Ooh. Eggs. Now, ants lay eggs. Ladybug also.
Lay eggs.
Insects lay eggs.
And butterflies lay eggs.
Like butterfly. Looks like rice. But those are eggs. So all the insects, they lay eggs.
Lots of eggs.
At one time. Legs. Ooh, this is fun. So insects have 6 legs. Foreleg, that means front leg, middle leg, and hind legs. Insects have 6 legs, but spiders have how many, Miss Kim?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They
8
have
legs.
8 legs. Spiders have 8 legs, and insects have 6 legs. Wings. Some insects have wings, and it helps them to fly. That's the butterfly wing, and that's the dragonfly wings.
Bird. This is a bird.
And birds also have wings. Miss Carolyn's favorite bird is blue jay. What is your favorite bird, Miss Kim?
My favorite bird is a chickadee.
Chickadee. What a funny name.
They're so
Chickadee.
cute.
I think my bird is cuter.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Whose bird is cuter, chickadee or blue jay? Let us know in the comments.
All right, student book. We're going to read a poem that says, "Can it fly?" So I will read you the Incy Wincy Spider. So let's read it together. If you don't have the book, it is okay. We can read them together on this page, okay? Are you ready? The Incy Wincy Spider. The Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay, follow along with me with your reading finger as we read The Bird. Here are the legs that walk along. Here is the beak that sings a song. Here are the wings that flap and spread. And here is the bird above my head. By Tony Mitten.
Okay, now the spider is from the insect that we're going to be learning this week. The bird is for next week. We are going to learn about birds next week. So this is a small little introduction for you. All right, moving on. Ooh, Ladybug. We are going to learn some
More about ladybugs.
All right, ladybug facts. Ladybugs live all around the world. Did you know that?
No, I haven't seen it in Vietnam yet.
But they do live in Vietnam.
Where's Vietnam?
Right here.
Oh.
So all the yellow part is where ladybugs live.
Wow.
So they live all around the world.
Try to find them. There are 5,000 different types of ladybugs.
Yes, there's
Wow.
so many different kinds of ladybugs that you can find. They have thin hideaway wings under their colorful wings.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Whoa, like a secret compartment.
Yes, under their colorful
Like
wings.
a transformer.
Under their colorful wings, they have extra wings that looks like a dragonfly wings.
Cool. All right. Ladybugs are meat eaters. They eat small bugs.
Ooh. Yes, ladybugs like to eat meat. But sometimes they eat plants, but mostly they like to eat meat. Ooh, yucky. Ladybugs live for 1 to 2 years.
That's not very long.
Yes, they die after 2 years.
Uh-oh.
So they only live for 1 to 2 years. Life cycle. Do you know what life cycle is?
Life cycle is the cycle of your life from when you're born to when you die.
So ladybugs, they have eggs. From eggs, they become
Larva.
and from larva, they become pupa. And from pupa, they become
Adult ladybug.
and then adult ladybug will make eggs again. And those eggs
the cycle continues.
will become larva, pupa, adult ladybug. And then it goes again and again and again and again. You call this life cycle.
We'll talk more about life cycles this week.
Yes, of many different kinds of insects. Oh, workbook page. Now turn to page 96. If you don't have it, it is okay. You can write it on a paper.
All right.
So,
use words from the box to label the picture.
what is this?
This is a ladybird.
Ladybird. You are correct.
Woo!
Now, can you find an antennae?
Antennae. There it is.
And head.
There's the head.
And wings. You're going too fast. Let's slow down. All right. Where's the eye?
Here is the eye.
Okay, now where is the leg?
Here's the leg.
Good. Now let's move down and complete these sentences. A ladybird has 2 of what?
Heads.
Eyes.
Oh.
2 eyes.
2 eyes.
It would be scary if they have 2 heads. And they also have 2 of wings. And lastly, they have 2 of what? Legs?
Antennae.
Antennae. They have 2 antennae. So, it has 1
Head.
and 6
Legs.
legs. Now, what you need to do is color this ladybird. Remember, there are 5,000 different kinds of ladybirds. So, you can color it however you want. Alright? And then bring it to school. If you don't have the book, just draw the ladybird. Okay? And then here are some videos about insects and
Arachnids.
so you can watch this on your own and listen to the Incy Wincy Spider song. And here are some Song of Sound phonics videos and some other phonics videos that you can watch. And here is the link to Starfall that you can do with your family member. And that is it for today. And we miss you very, very much.
We miss you. Hope you're doing well.
And we will see you.
Do your best.
Hopefully we will see you very soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.